So in regular Copilot mode, I can create images, but I need to be specific for it with the prompt. But if you want to create images itself, then you can go around onto the designer mode where you can create any image you can imagine right here. So let's say, for example, I can type in a flying dog around the moon right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and press enter. Then it gives me a simple like feedback right here of what it is. And then what happens is that it simply starts creating out the image for me. So the processing is starting, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it says that your image is being generated around over here. So we need to wait for a while right here because this does take some time. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the flying dog around the moon, as you can see right here. And you can go around and click to see the detail right here. And this is the graphics that it generated around over here. So you can see that you can also add in more information right here, like make it a cat instead, or add in some more stars in the background, change the dog's color to blue. So let's just go around and try this out right here. Change the dog's color to blue right here. So now we need to wait for a while again right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it makes changes to the particular image right here. So we need to wait for a while. So you can see that it says your image is being generated. And then this is what you have, as you can see. As a result, the dog is now blue, as you can see, and is flying around the moon just like this. So this is how you can go around and then utilize the designer inside of Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.